All right, now we're gonna paint. So, got my color photo, got my palette, got some colors, got my brushes. I've got kind of a medium flat, a larger flat. I have a fan brush and just a little liner brush. I've also got my water, okay? And I got a little white, and I got my reference photo, which I'm gonna put over here. So I wanna start by mixing up some colors, and my colors are, you know, you gotta decide what color you need based on the photo. So mine's kind of an orangey color, but it's not a super bright orangey. I'm gonna just put just a tick of blue in it, just to mute it just a little bit. Just a little more. It's kind of a brownish orange. Okay, so now I've got my base color made up. So now what I wanna do is take my fan brush and I wanna get it real wet. Okay, so my colors are very wet, very washy. I don't want thick paint, I want it thin. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start applying a base of color, and you can see that my collage is still showing through, but I'm getting that layer of color on. And I don't need a ton of paint because I'm using water to push it around. Black for last because it's so strong, and once you've got it on there, it's hard to paint over it because it's just a strong color with a lot of pigment. Okay, so now I'm mixing up a little bit of white for my tiger, and he's got a little bit of white around his eye. He's got a little bit of this here, out here. He's got a little bit of white through there, and again, this is super light. I'm not using a lot of paint. I'm keeping it watery and washy. And the thing about the fan brush is you can lift it up as you paint with it, and you can get some nice hair kind of action in there. I think I'm gonna do a little bit of pink for the nose, even though the nose is not super pink, it's kind of more of a fleshy color. So I think I'm gonna use my brown and mix it in with my white. That's too much. It has more red in it. Yeah, that's a good color right there. And I'm gonna paint this kind of more solid. And I could have glued better on my collage. See the flippy parts? That's annoying. All right, I think the nose comes up more like that. Okay, so now I'm ready for black. I'm getting my little liner brush out, and I'm just gonna start putting the black accents on here. And this tiger has beautiful black eyeliner. To get a thin line, you want to press lightly. Just tickle the paper, tickle it with your paintbrush. Don't push hard. Just a nice light stroke with the paintbrush. You should hear the paper laughing because you're tickling it. There we go, that looks better. And let's do some eye stuff. You know, I'm gonna switch brushes out. This one's too little. That one's too big. Okay, So again, it's kind of watery. I'm not putting it on super thick.